How to get a pharmacist job in Ireland, 2025. Want to work as a pharmacist in Ireland? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of the TCQR Pathway 2025. Who is this for? B Pharm graduates, M Pharm graduates, PharmD holders, International Pharmacy graduates, IPGs. Step 1. Understand the roles available. Community pharmacist, hospital pharmacist, clinical pharmacist, support pharmacist, supervising pharmacist. Step 2. Check if you're eligible. To work in Ireland, you must register with Pharmaceutical Society of Ireland, PSI. Pathway 1. Study in Ireland. Enroll in an M-Pharm program locally. Direct path to PSI registration. Pathway 2. Take the PSI Equivalence Exam, also called TCQR Exam, for international graduates. No need to repeat your degree. What is the PSI TCQR Exam? Theory and competency qualifying recognition. Tests pharmacy knowledge and clinical skills. Required for non-EU candidates. Step 3. Prepare for the exam. Syllabus can be challenging. Structured preparation is key. Coaching, mentoring and mock tests recommended. Step 4. Start job hunting. Best platforms to find jobs: healthcarejobs.ie, Clarity Locums, LinkedIn Ireland, Indeed.ie, Express Help. Tip: set job alerts and build your LinkedIn profile. Get notified early. Engage with pharmacy recruiters. Free PSI workshop, May 23, 2025. Live guidance. Common doubts answered. Prep strategy shared. Register here. Join the PSI preparation course by Elite Expertise. Interactive live classes. Recorded sessions. Mock exams and study material. One-on-one mentorship and feedback. Learn from PSI certified trainers. Elite expertise faculty include consultant clinical pharmacists, mentors who cleared the PSI exam themselves. Final tip: try until you succeed. Stay committed. Stay confident. Your pharmacy career in Ireland is possible. Want guidance for PSI registration or job search? Contact Elite Expertise today.